Today's the last day of 2017, or 2016 I mean, and I'm gonna spend it riding in town. It's rainy and wet today. It's terrible weather, but it's the last day of 2016, so who cares? Well, it's not probably the last day of 2016 because, you know, Roman calendar and all that, it ain't right, you know. Julius Caesar appointed this day the day of New Year's. All that's fake and shit, but as far as the numbers go in society and stuff and the way the world works, we go off lies, so yeah.
One of the worst years of my childhood was when they shot JR.
J.R. Ewing's been shot.
So just think what kids decades from now will be thinking about 2016. Remembering David Bowie, Keith Emerson, Glenn Frey, Prince, Sir George Martin, Paul Kantner, Jimmy Bain, and all the others we lost way too soon. Rest in peace. And here's to a happier 2017 from Classic Rock 92.1.
Cruz here. Cody got a helmet. I'm really stoked on this. Is it Mike Mullally? Ain't that how you say it?
Yeah, Mike Mullally is like a pro skater, like really hard old school guy. He actually commented on Cody's picture on Instagram of his helmet and was like,
What'd he say? I can't remember now. It's pretty cool.
Awesome, like let's go.
yeah, that's pretty great. And like Cody didn't even tag him in or anything, he's just seen it. Shout out to that guy. He's cool.
But this is where we usually go
If it's rainy and wet and we can't ride anything else, and that's the way it is today. I thought it was gonna be drier. I thought it was just gonna be like snowing today, but it's actually a little bit of rain and sleet
It
mixed.
was actually snowing this morning at 7 when me and Matt were skating.
Yeah. So it's like super cold too. Sleet and stuff.
Well, I
But
busted my ass just a minute ago skating down that hill because it's 58 wheels.
I'm not feeling a bike check today. I think that'd be good to do here.
Huh?
You know, a bike check, like showing all the parts and stuff on my bike. Yeah. By the way, no picnic tables were harmed in the making of this video.
the people in our community still have destroyed these picnic tables.
So we are not causing any damage at all. So before you start on making comments and shit, just remember that.
Shit. Get it. Your ankle, dude.
Oh!
Forgot to mention Matt's with us today.
Dude, people like constantly asking, you know, what parts I prefer and stuff. And when I ride, I'm gonna do a bike check. So I'm pretty sure this is a Mission seat. Maybe it's a Verde seat, I'm not sure. It's black. I put it on there because it's black and it's thick and I can rest my leg on it when I do like fakey bars and stuff, pull-up bars. I can't bar spin yet, but I'm trying to learn it. I got a Colt stem, not sure which one. All I know is it's held up hella good, super tough. Riding Colt bars. I used to know the name of them, but I can't remember right now. I got Odie grips. Not a big fan of the Odies, but
What are you doing?
yeah, that's what I'm riding them grips. The Odies are really tough. That's the really good thing about them. They don't tear very easily and stuff. I would recommend them. The only thing is when your hands get really sweaty, if they start sliding on the grips, you know. As far as the frame, I'm riding a Stranger Crux frame, 2000, I think it's 2016. I think that's what your model is. I got it off a friend of mine, not really sure. I'm riding Rant cranks. Put them back up here. Riding Rant cranks, you know. Cheap but good. I think that's their like logo, is like something on a budget, you know. Merit pedals. These have been hella good pedals. They've held up to everything I put them through. As far as the rear end goes, I'm riding Alienation Free Coaster because it's the Rush V2, because I love to go backwards and stuff. I like riding cassette a lot, but as far as like my tricks and stuff, Free Coaster is like where it's at for me. I got a Walmart metal peg on the left side, and I got a stolen plastic peg on this side, which I'm not a big fan of because it bends and stuff. I actually got the nut so loose right now, you can actually like shake. You can move the axle back here. That can't be good, but I have to ride it because if I put too much pressure on the free coaster somehow or another, the chain will not move, and it just puts a ton of like pressure on it when I pedal. As far as the front end goes, I have no hub guards. So if you want to buy me some hub guards, please hook me up. These are Harrow forks off a really old bicycle, I'm guessing. They're super heavy, very heavy. The main reason I put them on here is because I got tired of forks bending and I couldn't afford a new set. My rims, I forgot the rims. I got Cinema. I'm not sure which Cinema wheel this is. I think it's the more expensive of the two. And on the front, I got a Cinema, but I think it's the cheaper one of the two. It's like the 666 or whatever, 36, whatever it's called. I can't remember what the names of them are. Front hub, I got Cinema ball bearing hub, which not a big fan of because the bearings and stuff, you know, if you ever need to take them apart, they bust open. But I guess it's personal preference, you know, if you like that more. Merit tires, the option ones, I think is what they're called. They got the big sidewall, yeah, they're the options. And I think that's about everything. On the chain, shout out to Elijah, he hooked me up with this chain, Elijah Trent. I'll throw his Instagram in here. He actually bought it for me. It's held up pretty good so far. Not a real heavy duty chain. I want a half link chain. I get the money. And I got a Shadow sprocket. I'm not sure what Shadow model it is, but it's super hella good. And I like it a lot. But that's my whip. And thanks for watching. Oh, ow. That hurt so bad. Oh, let's pause the video. See it. Cody rolled his ankle, and now we're all just chilling. Ready?
Yeah. Big clip for our reason.
Pretty sure I just broke my thumb. It's killing me. I'm trying to do bar spins. And the thumb came and hit me in the bar hit me in the thumb. And it hurt it bad. Since I hurt my thumb and stuff and it's super cold and wet, I'm going to go home and I'm going with Dad and Mom. And yeah. They planned on going somewhere today, so I'll just go home. I'll go home and go with them because I can't ride. My hand's hurting a lot. I can't take Dad serious. Sick mustache. I just got a great idea. I'm going to keep on with the vlog thing after school starts back, but I'm only going to film funny and exciting things that are going on. I feel like this will cut down the time. Each video, you know, will be shorter and stuff. Comment and tell me what you think. I'll do a couple of them for trial after I get back in the routine of normal life and stuff. So, yeah. So comment on this and stuff after, you know, tell me what you think, you know. What are you guys interested in? Are you interested in more art? Or, you know what, to heck with what you guys say. I'm doing this for me. Yeah. It's 2017. I fell asleep for the ball, dropped and all that, or I would have videoed it.